So we're going to be using a Stahl's transfer press. This is one with the magnetic release. So if we were to push this down, there's a timer that kicks on. I currently have it set for 25 seconds. It will automatically pop when the timer is done. So the first test that we're going to do is going to be on polyester, and we're going to be transferring over this little left chest that we've got here. Because it's polyester, I don't want to run the risk of heat and pressure putting a mark on the fabric. As a lot of you may have already encountered or have seen in other situations, if your heat press is too hot and you have too much pressure, you can actually flatten the thread of the polyester garment, giving it a shine in that area. And unlike cotton, you can't get rid of it. So I'm going to put this on the heat press. We are at 260 degrees. Because of the lower temperature, we want to extend our time just a little bit in order to allow the glue to actually melt and adhere to everything on the garment. So let's go ahead and put this garment on and give a little press. Get this nice and flat. Put a Teflon sheet on here just to make sure that I'm not going to damage the fabric. I just want to basically give this a little bit of an iron. Is this strictly necessary? No, it is not. So I know that there are a lot of tools out there available to help you with placing a transfer on your garment. There's the large pieces of plastic with the neck hole cut out with all kinds of measurement tools on there. Having been a screen printer for over 20 years, design placement is kind of second nature at this point for me. So I am going to wing it and go off of the left chest, distance down, up just a little bit, place that down, put my Teflon over it. And again, because we're going for a low temperature, we want to add a little bit of time to allow all the hot melt powder, the adhesive, to properly do its job. So I'm gonna wait for this to go through the 25-second countdown, and then when it pops, I'm actually gonna control that pop. I don't want it to come up of its own power, because that can create suction on that when it comes up, and that can start to lift and move things, which is not something we really want to do. Remove the Teflon, and this is a hot peel. Boom.